Ciara came with receipts, Kyle came with a timeline, and Amanda and West had to sit there and answer for all of it. On national television, the Summer House Season 10 reunion just aired, and part 1 held absolutely nothing back. Here's the situation. Amanda Batula, 34, separated from husband Kylie Cook in January 2026 after 4 years of marriage. Shortly after she confirmed she was dating castmate West Wilson, 31, who had previously dated their co-star Ciara Miller on and off for 2 years. The joint statement dropped, the internet erupted, and the question everyone needed answer was, when did this actually? Kylie opened the reunion via conference. There were blinds going back to June 25. Castmate Mia Calabrese piled on. At minimum, the second week of January, they were together. Kylie added, Amanda tried to play it off like it's only been happening for a month. So host Andy Cohen asked Amanda and West directly. Their answer first kiss was at the end of February after brunch, and the first time they slept together only after they realized their public statement. Amanda added, also to clear up, this is not sex scandal. But then Ciara produced text Amanda had sent her, in which she said West and she were just friends, and Kylie quietly noted Amanda had started turning off her phone location for the first time in years. Ciara, ice cold and clearly prepared, delivered the line of the night. Maybe they will be together because I honestly think the best woman for West is someone who is not gonna check him on anything, and that's totally Amanda. Andy Cohen earned his check tonight. This was only part 1 of a 3-part reunion. The timeline dispute is unresolved, the text receipts are on the table, Kylie has barely spoken yet, and Ciara, who is apparently joining Dancing with the Stars, looked like someone who has been saving every message for exactly this moment. Parts 2 and 3 have not aired, and if tonight was the warm-up, the rest of this reunion is going to be absolutely appointment. Question of the day. Do you believe Amanda and West's timeline, or do Kylie's receipts tell a different story? Subscribe to Fame Dispatch for all the Bravo updates.